In this question, you have to identify the correct statement regarding thalassemia and sickle cell anemia. Option A, both are due to quantitative defect in globin chain synthesis. Now, thalassemia involves a quantitative defect, that is, either reduced or absent production of globin chains. But sickle cell anemia is caused by a qualitative defect, that is, a structural mutation in the beta globin chain. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, thalassemia is due to less synthesis of globin molecules. Now, thalassemia results from reduced or absent synthesis of either alpha or beta globin chains of hemoglobin, leading to imbalanced or less synthesis of this globin production. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, sickle cell anemia is due to a quantitative problem of globin molecules. Now, it is also incorrect because, as already stated, sickle cell anemia is not caused by quantitative defect. It is due to a point mutation in the beta globin gene, causing a structural change in the hemoglobin molecule, making it to be appear like sickle-like. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, both are due to a qualitative defect in globin chain synthesis. It is also incorrect because sickle cell anemia is due to qualitative defect, but thalassemia involves a quantitative defect in globin chain synthesis.